I'm the expedition leader for Bush Blitz, and I take teams of scientists out to remote parts of Australia looking for new species of plants and animals. Something like 3/4 of Australia's biodiversity isn't known to science, so in order to protect it and look after it, we need to know what's there. And so our project goes out to these places that haven't been properly surveyed, and we take a team of experts and we have a look around and see what we can find. While I'm out on site, I manage the teams and make sure they come back on time, they're reporting in, they're doing their check-ins, and give them work health and safety briefings and keep them generally safe while they're out there. People are good company when they're doing something they love, and so whatever team I'm with, I'm just loving. That's my favourite thing at the time. It is such a privilege to go out there with these experts in the field and learn from them. Yeah, when I was on Alone Australia, actually, I couldn't tell people that I was doing it, but I could sort of use the brains trust of the Bush Blitz scientists that I've worked with in the past, and so I guess talk to them about different bush plants that could be available in different areas, and potentially eating different land snails and things like that. And I think there was the first night when I was scraping back the leaf litter and I saw these tiny little pseudo-scorpions, and I got really excited. And I think anytime out in those sorts of situations when you can get this little excitement and appreciation of nature, it really helps drive the spirit. Another day I was just sitting there looking at moss, wishing I had a Bush Blitz scientist with me to help, identify what was there. And yeah, I'd love to get the team out there one day. I think the lessons I learnt from Bush Blitz was being adaptable and being dropped into these new environments that you're not familiar with, and having to sort of learn quickly and adapt and make the most of your situation. I think being on a Bush Blitz, you get comfortable with being uncomfortable, and that was a very good skill to have while on Alone Australia. Being a Bush Blitz expedition leader is not that glamorous. I mean, it sounds very cool on paper, but there's a lot of the background stuff that I guess most jobs have, but it can get pretty grubby at times. But yeah, it is amazing to be able to travel to these remote parts in Australia and have that connection with the people on the country too. I think that's a really special part of the job, which I'm finding really rewarding.